Hey, it's back with Cooking with Tots. Huh. Although we have a very special guest today. We have B and B, and they're caterpillars. Right, girls? You're gonna pet the caterpillar? Can you pet him? Is he funny? Kira, you want to pet the caterpillar?
No! 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 No!
He's not very lively, is he? Just the other one. Whoop. The big surprise is that caterpillars poop. And they poop a lot. Don't they poop a lot? Okay, let's put our caterpillars away. Put our caterpillars away. And we'll get out our bananas. Bananas, guess what we're going to make today? We are going to make banana bread. Yay! Okay, we've got our overly ripe bananas, and we need to peel them. You girls know how to peel bananas? Can you peel them? Here, we can both peel. You want to pull that one? Pull it. There you go. Whoa. Oh, that one? That one? Oh, you can take it that way. All right. And how do you mash bananas? With potato mashers. Remember how to do this? Yeah. Can you mash it like that? Whoa.
No!
Just like that.
No!
Do you want to do it?
No!
No. You might have to use 2 hands, Kira. There you go. Get some weight into it.
Nana?
Here, let me come over on your side.
Yes.
Whoa.
Smash!
Are those mashed? I think we've mashed them. I think we get to go on to the next step. Okay. Now it is time to pour our flour and salt and sugar and baking soda and baking powder in. Okay.
No!
Okay. You got it.
Hey!
Woo! You want to pour it in, Lena?
Hey.
Can we pour it in?
No!
Here. Do you want some help? What if you poured it this way?
No!
Hey, Kira. Let's let Lena do it.
No!
Okay, you don't have to do it. I can help you. Oh, you better roll up some sleeves. I can see. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. Can I have that? There we go. Here. Got baking soda and baking powder. Put that one? It's a nice little one, huh? Nice. Can you tap it? Like this. There. All right, time for some sugar. Very good. You want to give it a go? All right. All right, where are we now? Salt. Oh, add the bananas. Here, let me get you a spatula. Nina, do you want to add these? Do you want to use the spatula? Kira, do you want to give it a try? All right. Okay. Lena, do you want to give this one a try? Do you want to give it a try?
No.
Okay. All right.
Mom.
Is she getting her hands all in there? Okay. Now we have to add, I'm just going to add this because it's pretty icky. All right, and the milk, it says. Oh, fantastic. Milk. You want to do this one, Lena? Okay, now we get to mix it. Okay, let's pause for a sec. All right, here we go. We get to do some mixing now. It says to mix on low until blended. You want to take a look? Oh, it looks like we have, I think we need to scrape our spatula a little bit. Scrape that down. Alright, that looks pretty blended. And now we have to go on high for 2 minutes. Do you want to push the start button? Can you push? Alright. Okay, we're started. So let's go. Take a look. Is it going around? It's spinning around, isn't it? Mixing the bananas. Bananas. Careful, let's leave our hands up. It is, it's going round and round. Say round and round. Round and round. Kind of like the wheels on a bus. Do the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. More. The windows on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The windows on the bus go up and down, all through the town. You want to do some more? Do you know the wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Not sure. I think the kids on the bus do something. Do the kids on the bus? I'm not sure what they do.